brook gave a woman love a look and told me not to worry about my life. The little bird looked down and sang a song to me. The little